Welcome to SwitchRunner, where your Airbnb can take control of your appliance usage and save or make money effortlessly. Let's walk through the simple steps to get started. Step 1. Make sure you have a reliable Wi-Fi connection. This will be key for setting up your smart plugs. Step 2. Head over to our website and register. It's quick and easy. Just fill in your details and get ready to take control of your appliance usage. Step 3. Once you're registered, you'll need to purchase smart plugs and enclosures from us. These enclosures ensure your guests can't tamper with the plugs, keeping everything secure and efficient. Step 4. After your smart plugs are delivered, our friendly online consultant will guide you step by step on connecting your plugs to your Wi-Fi and syncing them with SwitchRunner. It's hassle-free and is quick and easy. Step 5. Now you're ready to start saving or making money. With our managed usage solution, you'll optimize your appliance consumption. Or, with our Monetize Appliances solution, you can make money from any appliances. Plus, with our dashboard, you can easily monitor each appliance's usage across all rooms. It's really a win-win business solution. Save, earn, and manage all with SwitchRunner. Visit switchrunner.com today and take control of your Airbnb energy usage.